This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Exceptional Furnished Big B Condo in Section 1. Most recent upgrade is air conditioner system installed. January 11, 2024. Roof replaced 12 to 23, updated kitchen west/wood cabinets, plus bottom cabinets west/pull-out shelves, tiled floors throughout plus air conditioner vent in FL room. Guest bath vanity, mirror and light changed. Extra cabinets in both baths. Oversized open patio in back with a live privacy hedge between buildings. Mirrored wall in dining area, and newer 6-panel doors to bedrooms and guest bath. All the beautiful furnishings will remain with the exception of one oblong side table in living, small wicker desk and stand-up jewelry chest in master. A great maintained condo that has been a seasonal home for the seller, so therefore not much wear and tear. Condo fee includes water, sewer, trash pickup, TV and internet, and security. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.